they want me to go to another door?
Yeah, they asked me to talk to you. Go inside and they will give you a different door. That's what they said. I only come here to tell you that.
Yeah, but they already give me a red light.
I don't know, man. It's up to you if you wanna go or not. Guys, ayan, nandito na tayo sa dideliveran natin. Antayin ko lang yung tao na magbubukas ng shield ko o magkakat ng shield natin. Tapos at least nakatuluya. After this, sana bigyan ako agad-agad ng company ko ng load para makabawi-bawi tayo. Pero medyo mahina talaga ang biyahe ngayon. Pero magandang klima na dito. Ito paano ha? Okay na. Thank you naman. Ito lang tayo guys. Okay na yata. Alright guys, ayan. Bumalik ulit ako doon sa loob. At tinanong ko kung anong door talaga ako. It's 36 ba o 26? Kasi na-confuse ako eh. Kasi nung nag-check-in ako, ang pagkakarinig ko sa akin is door 26. Kaya pumunta ako doon sa door 26. Kaso nga lang, merong Gordon truck doon, Gordon Food Service na truck doon. Kaya pumunta ako dito sa door 36. At after that, bumalik ako doon sa loob. Kinonfirm ko kung nasa door, kung door 36 ba yung sinabi sa akin kaganina or door 26. Kasi magkatunog kasi 26, 36 eh. Parang ano eh. At saka isa, siyempre ibang lahi rin kasi. Kaya yung katulad natin, Asian, Russian sila eh. Kaya medyo ano yung dating ng 26 at saka 36 sa akin. Kaya na-confuse ako. Kaya pumunta ako doon sa loob, chinik ko. Ang sabi sa akin, nasa tamang door daw ako, 36, kasi andito ko sa 36. Ngayon, yung Gordon na yon, pinakiusapan ako sa loob na baka pwedeng puntahan mo yung truck na yon at papuntahin mo dito sa loob kasi bibigyan namin ng ibang door, sabi sa akin. Ayan, guys, punta tayo dun. Ayan. So ayan, dito tayo sa ano ngayon, door 36 or magkakat ng ating shield. Yan. Yes! Tapos puntahan natin yung nasa 26 na ano, na truck. I went inside to check because earlier I come here, I thought it was my door is 26, but they said you go inside.
So they want me to go to another door?
Yeah, they asked me to talk to you. Go inside and they will give you a different door. That's what they said. I only come here to tell you that. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but they already give me a red light.
I don't know, man. It's up to you. If you wanna go or no, it's up to you.
They already start.
Yeah, they already feel start. Okay. I'm only come here to tell what they said to me. Okay. It's up to you if you wanna go. Okay. Yeah. Alright guys, ayan. At least nasabi ko na rin sa kanya yan. Bahala siya kung pupunta siya o hindi. Antayin ko lang yung magakat ng shield ko. Yes! Oh, ayun na guys. You got it?
opener now, sir.
Okay, thank you. All right.
You got in about 45 minutes.
Yeah, no worries. I'm good. Thank you. Mababait sila. Alright. Binuksan na niya. Oh, punong-puno. Punong-puno ng frozen product.
Wow!
Okay. All right. Oh. Yan. Ayun. Red light na agad tayo. Yes! Malapit na to. Are you okay with the
Oh, you're a
camera?
vlogger.
Yeah, vlogger. How are you doing, my friend?
Good, good.
Good, yeah. Doing a video vlog for all truck driver. Wherever I go, travel, free trip, something like this.
Okay.
Are you on in the camera? Are you okay?
Yeah, it's
No problem.
yeah.
So how's your thing in there?
It's open. I cannot go anywhere because they have my
Oh,
brand is
they
open.
already set up the
Yeah,
loading dock thing.
yeah.
Oh well, that's why I went inside. No, you know, and because I confused. I think they said to me it's 20. Are you 26, right?
26.
When I go in there to check in, I think I misheard 36 to 26. So
Yeah.
when I get in there, you've been there. So I try. That's why I come back here in 36. And then a few minutes later, I cannot rest. So I go back in there, and then they said you're in the right spot, but the guy in 26, can you ask him to come inside?
Yeah.
That's why I go in you.
Okay.
I come into you, I talk to you there to go inside.
Okay.
So what you going? You
I'm
going
gonna
inside?
go and check and see.
Yeah, it's better be. Yeah.
Yeah,
You see, you feel
Yeah.
my door is back. My trailers they're working on it now.
Yeah. So, what camera are you using there?
This one,
The other one, that one.
this. Oh, this is
No, the
Garmin.
camera. Is the Garmin?
This one here. Oh, it's my dashcam. It's Garmin.
Garmin.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna buy for my car.
Oh, you need that. We need that so that at least we have something.
Yeah.
Something evidence if something happened.
Yeah. But they have the Garmin, the little one, small one. But it doesn't have the screen on it.
Oh, right now, did you see something like that?
Garmin, they have a small one.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I think they only have like this.
Yeah. But you have to download it. You have to download it to your phone.
Oh, it's connected.
It doesn't have a screen on it.
Oh, really?
But it's very small.
Very small? Something like
Mini.
that? Like my
Yeah,
watch?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's a Garmin Mini.
Oh, Garmin Mini.
Mini.
It's good?
I hear review that it's good.
Oh, you check the review? Oh, okay. Yeah.
It's simple, very simple.
Okay. Yeah, good
Alright.
luck with that. Yeah, okay, yeah. Alright guys, ayun nga, pupuntahan nga niya sa loob kasi na-confused din siya eh. Kakonfusan eh. Babalik siya rito. At tanongin natin kung ano sasabihin sa loob. Yan siya na guys sa English ko ha. Medyo English barok tayo. Importante nagkakaintindihan naman. Dito sa Canada, you don't need to be fluent to speak in English. Ang importante naman dyan yung ma-explain mo yung sarili mo in a nice way manner. Kasi yung mga white people, madali lang naman silang makausap eh. Kasi naiintindihan naman nila yan eh. Kasi siyempre alam mo naman, di ba? Let's say, we put this way, no? Sarado ko lang para maintindihan natin. Papaliwanag ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung style ng mga puting tao, no? Yung mga puti rito sa Canada, hindi sila nakikialam mo. Wala silang pakialam sa English mo. Ang importante lang sa kanila is deliver mo yung salita na maiintindihan nila. Sila na mismo nag-a-adjust. Katulad nga yun sinasabi ko. Natin. Ilocano ko, no? Nakapag-asawa ako ngayon ng Bisaya. So pupunta siya ng Ilocano, gusto niyang matutong mag-Ilocano. Ngayon, di ang salita. Andiyan na siya. Teka muna. Putulin muna natin yan. Ano sasabihin kaya? What did he say?
She said somebody give you 26.
Oh,
And
yeah.
they give me 26 too.
Oh, so they give me door 26 and they give you door
26.
Oh, that's what they said. So you're good in there now?
They figure it out.
They figure it out? Okay, you're good in there now?
Alright.
Alright, okay. Ayan. Confuse. But anyway, nagkagulo. Pero at least na-settle naman. Eh, pinapaliwanag ko nga tungkol dito, no? So, Ilocano ako, nakapag-asawa ko ng Bisaya, which is ang miss ko Bisaya, no? Ngayon, dinala ko siya ngayon sa probinsya namin, which is ang salita Ilocano. Ngayon, nag-aaral siya mag-Ilocano, no? So, nag-aaral siya mag-Ilocano. Ang salita niya, syempre, pa happy-happy na pag-Ilocano. Di, parang hindi fluent. Ganun lang naman yan. So, ibig sabihin, lahat tayo nag-aaral everyday. Yun. Sabihin nila sa akin dito, matagal na daw akong dito sa Canada. Dapat marunong na daw ako. Pero guys, honestly, hindi naman everyday yung pananalita ko is English eh. Saglitan lang naman eh. Basic lang naman sa Canada yung ano mo sa English. Let's say, pupunta ka sa deliveran mo, mag-check-in ka. Good morning sir, I have a delivery. Kukunin lang nila yung papel, tapos i-check na, bibigyan ka ng door, wala pang 2 minutes, 3 minutes pakikipag-usap sa kanila sa English. Kumbaga basic lang yung ano mo, yung sinabi mong yan. Hindi mo kailangan yung makipag-chika pa doon. May nakikita kayong mga video ko minsan na yung English ko hindi maganda. Kasi normal na sa akin yan, kasi yung mga words na yun, mga bago sa akin. Pero siguro kung magsalita ako everyday, kahit nagbablog ako dito ng puro English, magiging fluent ako. Pero hindi ko nagagawin yun. Bakit ako magbablog ng puro English? Kasi Pilipino ako eh. Pilipino ako, ganyan ako. Ganyan yung mga pagbablog natin, Pilipino. Alright guys, green light na tayo.
Précision pour la frontière ouest par environnement Canada à 3 heures. L'heure avancée de l'Est le mercredi 7 mai 2025. Aujourd'hui, cette nuit et jeudi, avertissement de vent fort en vigueur. En ouest, ça va jeudi.
Banti ko lang, sarado natin yung trailer. Build mo na siya ng hangin. Okay. Konti, baka mamaya. Nice. Okay. Yo. Oh. Walang ano, hindi nila inilagay dito yung ano. Nakalimutan yata nilang ilagay yung. Buksan nga natin. Wala yung aking mga load bar eh. Punta ko na lang doon sa door nila doon. Wala yung mga load bar ko rito. Kailangan natin load bar eh. Door 36. Puntang ko na lang dun sa ano nila guys, shipping office. Bigyan ko sa kanila yung load bar. Natin sa kanila yung load bar natin. Door 36. Sir, can you please tell to inside? Can you?
Talk to him.
Huh?
Tell the driver, right?
No, inside. To tell them to just open the door and give me my load bar.
Oh, they didn't give you a load bar?
Yeah, I have a load bar there, and then I check my trailer, and then there's no load bar. That's it. We need this.
Door 36, right?
Yes, sir. Making sure. I tried to bang it, but yeah, they won't. That's why I come here. Filipino?
No, Sri Lankan.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka, oh, okay.
You Filipino, I'm guessing?
Yeah, Asian.
Just see. I'm just gonna go check the back.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, for door 36, the guys forgot to put back the load bars.
What's door 36? The Turk?
It was the Turk, yeah.
Okay, tell them to back up and I'll throw them back.
Alright, sweet, thank you.
Okay. Back up?
Yeah, back
Okay.
up. I'm gonna throw it in the back for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah.
So what should I show it to the guard? Just give it
That's
to
the
the
guard, and this is for you. That's a proof of delivery and everything.
Oh, thank you.
No problem, take care.
Alright, okay. Okay, bye. Yes! Atras daw tayo guys, tas ilagay yung load bar sa atin. Doon sa pipikapan natin, baka hindi nila tayo loadan. Tapos tayo na. Okay guys, ito yung proof delivery natin. Na-deliver na natin. At text ko yung dispatch ko. Sabi niya wala pa daw. Antay lang tayo ng konti. Punta mo tayo truck stop. Narinig ko, binuksan mo siguro. Oh yun, narinig akong kalampag. Kain lang natin. At mga 15 minutes lang.
A few inches later.
Ayan guys, hopefully na ilagay na nila. No choice kundi kalampagin yung kanilang pintuan dyan para ibigay itong ating load bar. Ano? Wala naman. Kailan ba nila ibibigay? Wala pa naman. Punta ulit ako dun sa ano? Dun sa ano, pabalik-balik tayo dyan sa ano na yan. Tras ko ulit. Ano ba yan? Natras ko ulit. Pabalik-balik tayo sa opisina dahil lamang sa load bar na. Tayo sa loob ulit. I'm just gonna go ask them. There you go. Only ask my load bar because it's been 15 minutes. Okay. Here. It's been 15 minutes. I back and then I pull out again and there's nothing in there. I don't know. That's why I come back again here to double check. I don't want to bang anymore the door.
Supervisors, I don't know why they're.
I'd like to check in our prison.
Hey, nobody put back the load bars?
I have an appointment though.
Apparently
9:30.
they put it back in there.
36.
Yeah, 36. They put it back on there.
He just did?
Yeah.
Okay, if he just did, yeah, because I'm here. So,
Okay,
okay, I'll go back and check, and if it's not, I'll come back.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Yes! Alright guys, ayan. Yabat tuloy natin. Sana nga, nilagay na nga nila doon. Okay, ayan, nilagay nila yung load bar natin. Yeah! Kailangan natin yan eh. Alright, so meron siya dito ano. Kailangan natin yung susunod nating pick up. Ayan, ganyan no. Itong parang ano ba to? Tawag dito kalasukan ba? Apat yan eh, saka dito rin sa harapan. Picture natin meron, ayan ito. Tapos dun, ayan sa kabila. Tan natin. Oh, meron din siya. Ayan. Alright guys, ayan. Tapos na naman ang ating video vlog for today. Salamat sa panonood. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless you all. Peace up guys, bye bye.
Lakai Tracker.